get married and I want to have this ring.
These are both your keys. These are both your keys.
Surprise.
Those aren't my keys.
Wait, Dad,
Those aren't my keys.
are you
Can I go
selling?
outside?
If you want to.
Wait.
Dad, did you get a car? For her? What?
Surprise, Clary.
You got a car, you got... Is that Mom's car?
Wait.
Wait, is that Mom's car? No.
That's Clary's car.
Look. What? Cause see?
Wait.
Are you gonna cry? You just got a coffee around. I need to squeeze you right now. This can't be real. Wait, and it's not the same one as Mom.
Look inside of it.
That is good. I want to see. Oh wait. Oh my.
Wait, where did you get this?
I don't know.
Somewhere to be on the side.
It's so spacious.
So nice.
It smells good. Mom, it smells so good. Clear. Come on, move. I want to see the picture.
What?
Chevy Blazer. Welcome to the Chevy.
This is so... I like this car. This is so big.
It's so good that you make me cold.
Big enough. Big enough.
Thank you.
It's the two-row version of basically Mommy's car.
I know, I like it.
You like it?
Yes.
Is that your car? I can't see your car. And you're only 15.
What?
How much money did you spend on this, Dad? Or Mom? Please not.